Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Alright, so for today's video is about Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory and their latest branch opening as well as a product launch, which is their Nama Donut. This is only exclusive at their Mitsukoshi branch because, as you can see, they make this on site. Okay, they make this fresh batch every single time. It comes in 3 flavors. It comes in classic, rare cheese, and mascarpone custard. Oh my God, guys. Like, natikman ko yung tatlong flavors. Sobrang sarap niya. Sobrang chewy and fluffy at the same time. And they have the same flour, butter, and frying oil. The filling is different, yes, but it makes a whole difference with the texture of the whole bread by the different flavors. Ang hirap i-explain dito sa short vlog na to, pero gagawa ko ng longer vlog. If you're not interested in the donuts, they also have cheesecakes, cookies, and ice cream, and also other pastries. I suggest you get the salt and camembert cookies. I love them to bits. And also, there's another one I would suggest to get for New Year's, which is the Cow Cow Kitchen, milk pie, and I forgot the other one. Pero yung milk pie, sobrang sarap niya. Okay, it's like a croissant with like an ice cream inside. It's flaky, it's buttery, it's super amazing. Like, I actually have written multiple articles already about this. You can check them out on the description box. Like, I have so many words to say, but this is such a short video. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the description box and I'll see you soon. Bye!